Welcome to the Stock Market Flow. This is your host, Mark Flow, and today I wanted to review the market. The market is doing great, another record high. However, there is a lot of stocks that are not doing the same. Actually, they're doing another record low, and that's the case for speculative plays. Yeah, there are many speculative plays who have reaching double bottoms, triple bottoms, and they are about to break down in a bearish market. And why is this happening? All of them show the same type of graph. Look at this. There is a low, bounce, then get bounce, and then a sell-off right here. Be prepared, be aware of what you're getting into if you have any of these stocks, and I'm going to show you the brighter side of it. Now, why institutions do this? Well, this is what's happening, right? This is nothing new. I'll show you the seasonality chart. The seasonality chart for the QQ, which is the top 100 companies of mainly from the Nasdaq and mainly technology and our Facebook, Google, Tesla, all the well-known companies with great profit. Well, those have their greatest month in April, and they actually experience at the middle of April some sort of short squeeze. Many people start shorting them, thinking that they are getting overvalued or they have an amazing run, and so they need to be short in the middle of April. And what happens? Well, they have a short squeeze, and all those people end up buying it, and then that makes the rally even stronger. And why these people are shorting it? Well, because on the other side, the Nasdaq looks like it has a lot of weakness. Look at this. And this is something that we can compare back to the stocks that we were just reviewing. They make one leg down, another leg down, and then a bigger leg down. And it looks like this market, it's going to zero. But no, that's not how it ends. We are currently right here. This is where I think we are, and hopefully this can help you map what's coming in the future. We're going to experience a really violent leg down soon on all these speculative stocks. Any of the ones that you see in your portfolio that are 50% down, discount, whatever, they're even going to get in a very lower price. And I want to warn you, if you have any calls or any selling any puts on these kind of stocks, be aware that this is kind of a dangerous play right now, because technically these stocks are in a bear market, and if you're holding any of these options, it may be able to hurt you in the long run. However, the bright side is that this leg down, it's going to come down pretty quick, and then as fast as it comes down, it's going to go up. Now, many investors may think, well, I'm just going to keep averaging down. I bet this stock is great. However, the Wall Street map doesn't show that much. Once it gets to the bottom, many of these investors are going to go panic sell before the next leg it's going to go up. And then once the leg up goes up, they're going to feel like they're left out, and they're not going to have the same confidence they did once they were investing in the market. So that's one of the strategies that people do. They average down until they get a margin call, and that's the dangerous play. However, there's another strategy where investors can divide they may think, oh, I'm gonna sell right now and then I'm gonna cash the bottom. Well, however, this strategy as well is wrong. The reason why it's wrong is because once the bottom comes in, many of these investors may not be able to have the timing to be able to enter at the right time, and then the leg goes up, the bounce goes fast up, and then they're not going to be able to get it at the prices they want to, and then they're going to be left out as well. And then there is other kind of investors that they're probably going to wait until they see signs of reversal, and then they're going to start buying. Hopefully, this is us. We're going to wait until we see that the leg is up, is coming up. We are maybe back testing the current prices right now, and then we're going to get in strong at that price once there's a confirmation on that specific trade. It's going to be really hard to time that part, but then once you get in, you're never going to be able to see those prices again. You may have another opportunity to get in back in October according to the seasonal trade, but it is not always true. Many stocks just run, and then yes, I wanted to share this with you. Be careful of your trading right now and how many of these stocks you have in your portfolio. Be aware that we're going to experience a very, very volatile SPY is overbought, the QQ is overbought, and then once these stocks, this ETF do a small pullback, these speculative plays, these speculative stocks are going to pull down very rapid, very violent, making you feel like you need to sell off. But you know what to do now. Please share and subscribe, like the button, and thank you for watching.